Hello guys, today we're going to be installing Windows 10 on VMware. This time this is going to be a different way. So, not all the other ways. This is going to be a different way of how to install it. So search up download VMware player. Then you're going to press enter. Then you're going to go to this link right here, text box, VMware player download free. And then after you go there, you're going to download it. Then you're going to go to Windows because you're running this on a Windows laptop. So you know this is for Windows 10 and Windows 11. I'm running Windows 11. You can do this on Windows 10 too. After that's installed, you want to search up load Windows 10. Then search. Then you can close out of these. Then press download Windows 10 disk image ISO file. And then you're going to go to create in Windows 10 installation media. Click download now. Then you want to open your file explorer plus downloads. I'm going to delete these other files. You're going to go to VMware player. And then after that, you have to wait for it to show up. Like this. Then you're going to press next. I accept the license terms in the agreements. Next, install. So after you're installing it, you should see that you can finish. So I'm going to come back to you, and when this is done, I'm going to come back. So when you see this screen, press finish, and then wait for it to exit out. Then you want to go to File Explorer. I'm going to go to File Explorer. And then you want to go to Downloads. Double click on Media Creation Tool. Then press yes. Then after you press yes, it's going to say getting a few things ready. So it's getting a few things ready. So you have to wait for this to be done. So you have to wait some seconds until it gets off this getting a few things ready. Windows 10 is ending in October. Press accept. It's ending in October. End of support is for October. So if you're running Windows 10, if you're doing this on Windows 10, make sure you back up everything. Make sure you're backing up everything like on September, or maybe before October 14th, because that's when it's going to end. Press create installation media. Next. ISO file. The reason why I'm doing this is not October. It's not like October yet. It's like the 8/28. It's 8/28. Like you see right here, it's Thursday 28th. It's not October 14th yet. So you have 2 months until this thing ends. So you have 2 months support on this. So you see Windows.iso. You're gonna press new. then folder, then you create Windows 10, then you're gonna press enter, then you're gonna click inside it, then you're gonna press save, then it's gonna install, and then when this thing gets to done, I'm gonna come back. Then when it has finished, it says burn the ISO into a DVD. We're not gonna do that. We're just gonna press finish. Then it's cleaning before it closes. Then we close out of this. Then we can X out. Then we can double click on VMware Workstation 17 player. And then it will pop up like this. Then you can see, let me just delete this one because this one is not signed in yet, and I can't run this one because it's not signed in, so I'm going to delete it from the disk. So you see, so press yes if you already have one. Create a new virtual machine. Make sure to create a new virtual machine. Then you want to click browse. Then you see that you already find the ISO for you. So you're gonna click on it and then click open. Then click next. Then click next. And then you're gonna name this just Windows 10. Store it as a single file. Then customize the hardware. That doesn't work. And then use show all USB inputs and leave it at 3.1. And then for monitor, it doesn't change, so we're gonna do specify host sound card, which is gonna select your actual one, because sometimes when you use default, it doesn't sound. So yeah. Then I'm gonna click close. I'm gonna click close. Wait for it to close. Close. You gotta double click and then press finish. Then wait for the process to be done. So wait for the process to be done. So when it opens up like this, you want to wait until you see the so once you see the VMware load up screen, just click in, just tap on the black, because the black is where it's going to turn on. So you're going to press OK, then you're going to tap in. You're going to tap in. When the green plus turns into 2 line reds, that means it's on. So click in by just clicking once. Click in by just clicking once. Once you are clicked in like that, when you don't see your cursor, you want to wait until you see the press any key. So we're gonna wait until we see the press any key. So if you want to make your cursor out, you're gonna press Control Alt. But for now, we want to click in, so we're not gonna do that. This process is gonna be pretty slow. So click in, and then wait until you see the VMware pop up. If you don't see the VMware pop up, if you don't see it, press H or any key you want to press, because it says press any key. Then it will boot into Windows, just like that. Now it's loading into Windows 10. Now you just wait until you see the the old process, then press next, install now, then it will say setup is starting. So you press, I don't have a product key because in this case I don't have one. Windows 10 Pro, press next, then press I accept the license terms, then press next, then press custom, and then press next, and then the installation shall proceed. I'm gonna come back. For now, I'm gonna let this go. So when you get to this page, when you see it's underlining installing updates, so when it gets to the finishing up, I'll show you the process of what to do. So it's on the finishing up, so you're gonna press restart now. Just restart now, nothing else. Then it's gonna close out. This time you don't have to press any keys, it's just gonna boot by itself. So wait for this to show, then this will wait for this to go. Wait for the Windows to go. And once I go to the setup screen, I will come back to you. And then when you get to this part, press yes. When you get to this part, press yes. Then press yes again. Then skip. So wait for this to be done. I'm coming back. So now you see this. Now you should press set up for personal use. So wait for this to end. I'm coming back. Let me sign in. So when you get here, I'm gonna set up my PIN. So once you're on the next part, you're just gonna press accept. Then you're just gonna press accept. Then you're just gonna press skip. No thanks. Then after you press no thanks, press remind me later. And then next. And then accept even though it has ended. So it's gonna show you this high animation, this loading animation to get you in Windows 10. So you're gonna wait for this to be done. Bye. Okay, after following all the steps, voila, we are now in Windows 10. So you're gonna click yes, and then the final step you should do is go to Edge. After you go to Edge, it's gonna make a little pop-up thing right here. You're gonna see something pop up in Windows 10 and Edge. It's gonna be this. So press continue, then press continue without Google data. And then just press on a new tab, close these other ones, and then you want to search up. Then here you want to search up download VMware tools. Then press I accept, and then press index of tools releases latest Windows. So after this loads up like this, you want to go to x64. Then you're gonna double click on it, and then you're gonna click VMware Tools, this one. And after you do that, it's gonna download the file. And then after you download the file, when this bar doesn't show anymore and it says done, then you're gonna click on it once. Until you see it open. If it doesn't work, then open in folder, then double click on it. Then after you double click on it, you should see it open. Since this is a very slow virtual machine, some things won't load really fast. So sometimes you have to wait, like right now, and then press yes, then press no for the second one if it hasn't, then press yes, then press OK, then press no, and then you want to minus all out of these ones, even this one, and then you're gonna double click on this, then you're gonna press yes, then you're gonna press next, and then typical, you're gonna select typical and then install. And this is not VMware workstation, this is VMware tools. So you need to install VMware tools, not workstation, or this will not work. You will see what VMware tools is for just as it installs the video thing. You will see what this is useful for. So yeah, so that's, and then this is gonna full screen. This whole thing is gonna full screen after the video driver. After the video driver installation, it will blink. So warning about flashing lights, it's gonna blink like 2 or 3 times or so. Then after this is done, you're gonna press finish. Then you must restart it or this will not work. Then press yes. Then it's restarting. So you've got to wait for it to fully install. You have to wait for it to fully install, unless this is not gonna work. Because if you don't restart it, none of this is gonna work. So you have to restart it. If you don't restart it, it won't full screen like you want it to be. So yeah. So after it restarts, you see the Windows logo. After you see the Windows logo, you will be prompted to sign in into the password you created. And then after you sign in into your thing, everything should be right. If to correct it, full screen, press full screen, it'll fix itself, and then click out. Then press I finished installing. If it doesn't correct itself correctly, then you need to search up control panel. Search up control panel, then press open. Then you want to go to up here. No. Like, you have to search up here. You have to search up here. You have to search up size. You have to search up size. Size of ob. So it's actually in settings. So it opens up settings. So it's actually in settings. So you want to go to in settings, display. When you click on display, then you want to go to 1920 by 1080. Then you're gonna press keep changes. Then you're gonna do 150. Then you're all done. The whole process is complete. The only way this will show the taskbar is if you full screen. But other than that, you see it will also correct itself. If it doesn't correct itself, there, we fixed it. So now we have installed Windows 10. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you had a great day. Bye.